Um, Hello guys, this is my report. Lesson 3, writing a field report in laboratory scientific. Introduction, begin with a brief introduction that provides an overview of the purpose and scope of the field. Report clearly state the objective in what the reader can expect to find in the report. Description of activities. Break down this section into subheading based on the different activities or aspects you observe for each subheading. People describe the individual involved with the roles. Interaction include any relevant demographic information. Replaces. Detail the physical location where your observation took place. Provide information on the environment, atmosphere, and any noteworthy feature. Event. Chronicle the event you witness, paying attention to the sequence of occurrences, capture key details such as timeline, important conversation or action taken. Interpretation and analysis. In this section, they delve into the meaning and significance of your observation, analyze the pattern, behavior, or trends you identified, consider any underlying reason or implication of the observation activities. People analyze the roles and interaction of the individuals for how these dynamics contribute to the overall context. Places discuss how the physical environment impacts the activities observed. Consider any cultural or social factors influencing the place. Events. Interpret the event in the context of your objective, analyze the cause and effects, relationship in the broader implication of the observed event. Conclusion and recommendation summarize your findings and present any conclusion drawn from your analysis based on your observation. Provide recommendation for potential improvements, changes, or further investigation. Appendix. Include any additional materials that support your field report, such as charts, graph, or supplementary data. Reference. List any sources you refer to during the preparation of your field report. Remember to maintain a neutral and objective tone throughout your field report and support your observation and analyze with relevant detail and evidence. A laboratory scientific technical report is a comprehensive document that provides detailed account of the research process progress and result in the field of science or technology. Let's take a closer look at each section. Introduction number 1. This section sets the stage for the report by providing background information on the research topic, stating the objective or research question, and explaining the significance of the studies. It also includes a literature review to the highlights previous work related to the research. Number 2. Materials and method. In the section, the report describe the materials, equipment, and technique used in the study and provide a step-by-step explanation of the experimental procedures, data collection method, and any statistical analysis performed. The goal is to provide enough detail so that others can replicate the study. Number 3. Result here the report present the finding of the research. It includes the raw data tables, graph, or figures that illustrate result that should be organized and presented in a clear and logical manner, making it easy for readers to understand and interpret the data. Number 4. Discussion. This section involved the interpretation and analysis of the result. The report discussed the significance of the finding, compares them to previous research and explore any pattern or trends observed in will also address any elimination or challenge encountered during the study. Number 5. Conclusion. The conclusion summarizes the main finding of the research and provide a consensus answer to the research question or objective. It highlights the implication and significance of the result and may suggest areas for further research or future direction. Number 6. Reference. This section lists all the sources cited in the report, such as a research paper, book, or other relevant literature. It follows a citation style, e.g. PA, MLA. To ensure proper credit is given to the original authors. An abstract serves as consult summary of the research study, providing reader with a quick overview of the objective scope, the theoretical concept for a field report, materials and method. For a scientific technical report in the result or outcome of the study, let's break down its component. Objectives. The abstract begins by stating the research objective or question. This helps reader understand the purpose of the study and what the research aims to achieve. Number 2. Scope of the study. This component describes the boundaries or limitations of the research. It outlines the specific aspect or variable that were considered and provide context for the study focus. Number 3. Brief reference of the theoretical concept or for a field report. In a field report abstract, a brief reference to the theoretical concept is included. This highlights the theoretical framework or concept that guide the research and provide a foundation for understanding the study. Number 4. Short discussion on the material and method of the experiment for a scientific technical report. In a scientific technical report, abstract concept description of the materials and method used in the experiment is provided. This gives reader an understanding of the research design and how the study was conducted. Concise statement of the result or outcome of the study. Finally, the abstract concludes with a brief summary of the result or outcome of the study. This may include key findings of the trends or significant outcome that emerged from the research. That's it. Thank you.